Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Skoda Kamiq SEL. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the DSG automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 45 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 12,000 miles and comes with full service history from Skoda. This particular colour is the metallic race blue and looks in great condition of the age of mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the SEL, the car comes very well equipped. So first of all, with the seats, so you can see they're in really good condition. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. But the features of the car, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. And this car also has climate control there in the centre, automatic headlights and wipers, the virtual cockpit display, and also then on the left hand indicator there you've also got your cruise control. And lastly, on the driver's door card you then have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Being a small SUV, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents there in the centre. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there, with the rear seats that can be folded flat, as well as the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you've also got even more storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit there at the back. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.